Hi guys, so today is Saturday, December 1st, and Bath & Body Works has their, I think it's just once a year, but it's $8.95 for 3-wick candle, and I'm not exactly sure how many numbers of candles you're limited to, but you're given like a tray at the beginning, and it holds 6. So I ended up getting 6. I could have gotten more, but I still have some of the single wick candles from the sale maybe a month ago or a couple weeks ago, I want to say, but I stocked up on a lot of the single wick, and then I stocked up on 6 more 3-wick. So I'm going to show you guys some of those candles now. I got some repeats and some for like gifts, but they have a lot of new scents out. They have a, like, it's almost like a summertime like line out right now in the winter, which is kind of like, I've never seen it happen before, but they had like watermelon lemonade, they had some citrus ones, just a lot of scents that you would see in summer or like spring. But they have like your classic like evergreen or like balsam. I know frosted cranberry is a popular Christmas one or holiday one. All like the marshmallow fireside or marshmallow this, vanilla bean Noel, flannel winter, like all those types of ones. So I got some ones that I usually always like, and then I think I got one that I've never tried before. Yeah, so I got one that I've never tried before. Everything else I stand true to it, love it. Bath & Body Works candles are the best. If you can catch them on sale, please do so. Last year it was the first weekend of December that the sale happened, so it may just be every first week of December they do this $8.95 sale, but $8.95 for these candles are totally worth it. I know you can get them cheaper at like Home Goods or TJ Maxx or sometimes Michael's or Target, but these candles are the best. They have the best scent, they last long, and they just have such fun scents. So let's just get into them. 2 fresh balsams. This is the packaging. They have tons of new packaging. Like you could get fresh balsam with this packaging, or you could get it with some other packaging. I think throughout the season they try a couple different packaging, and as well as like some from last year. But this is just the packaging that I went with. I was trying to decide the difference between evergreen and fresh balsam, but I think this fresh balsam is just a little stronger. Such a Christmas tree. So it's made with pine, cedarwood, eucalyptus, essential oils. I don't know what the evergreen one is, but you would think that evergreen and balsam has like the same Christmas tree smell, but I think just fresh balsam is like so much more potent. Next I got hot cocoa and cream. This is one of the like sweeter ones that I like. I'm not a huge fan of the marshmallow or like cinnamon swirl caramel ones, but I really like this one. It's nutmeg, sandalwood, and notes of milk chocolate and steamed milk. This one's delicious. You light it and it smells like you just made a huge pot of hot cocoa in your house. We live in an apartment, a 1-bedroom apartment, so it's already kind of small. So when we light a Bath & Body Works candle, it makes the whole place just like so true to that smell. Next, I got crushed candy cane. Now you would think that this is similar to, I think I got it too. Yeah, I got twisted peppermint. So twisted peppermint and crushed candy cane, they're pretty much the same scent. Yeah, so that is literally, smells like a crushed candy cane, crushed peppermint and white sugar crystals, that's what's in there. And then in the twisted peppermint is peppermint, sugared snow, which I don't know what that is, vanilla, buttercream, fresh balsam, and a hint of musk. But the reason I got this is because of the packaging. They have so many different, like I told you, they have so many different packages. But this one was wrapped in like a ho-ho-ho, and it has a cute little candy cane ribbon around it and a bow with an ornament as the name tag. But this actually may be a little more potent than the crushed candy cane one. but I was thinking of doing this one as a gift. I just thought it was so festive, very cute. Okay, so last but not least, I got from the White Barn collection cinnamon stick. So this is it, and as you would assume, it smells like cinnamon, clove bud, and nutmeg. It is very cinnamony, but I thought this would be good not just for the holiday season, but for in general. I mean, everyone likes their house smelling like cinnamon and nutmeg and cloves. So throughout winter, like into January and February, I thought that would be a good one to burn as well. But I think that is it. I got 6 candles, and then also they give you a coupon when you go. From December 20th to the 24th, you get a free gift with any $10 purchase, up to $16.50 in value. But they have, if you are on their emailing list, then you can receive so many other coupons, and you can get $10 off, you can get 20% off. But they send out a ton of emails, which may be annoying at first, but you'll thank all those emails once you get your receipt, and it's a lot less than you would hope. So like I said, they were $8.75, right? Yeah, or $8.95, and then I got a 20% off coupon, so that took $1.79 off of that. Yeah, so a little over $7 for each candle. I thought was a great deal, especially for the longevity of them. So I'm gonna put these away with my single wick. I think I'll have like 9 or 10 candles in backup. Right now I have hot cocos and cream, the single wick, burning out in the living room. But I'm glad I got double of the balsam ones, because I love burning these prior to Christmas. So once, because I've already burned through my single wick of the balsam. So once I'm done with the hot cocoa single wick out there, I'm gonna start burning balsam until Christmas. But I'm gonna put these away, and then I think I'm gonna do some baking today. I have found a chocolate chip banana bread like loaf recipe that I really want to try. So I'll show you guys that. Okay, so this is the chocolate chip banana bread recipe that I am using. It is from lovinvegan.com. Her name is Allison. She has a bunch of good recipes. If you are not vegan, this is still delicious, and you're more than welcome to add in your regular dairy products if you want. Like, I think it calls for a flax egg. Let me go down here. Yeah, so it calls for a flax egg. I am just going to use a regular egg because I don't carry flax egg. Soy milk, you can obviously use almond milk, whole milk, rice milk, oat milk, any type of milk product you want. And then it has flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, bananas obviously, coconut oil, and then a cup of vegan dark chocolate chips. I just happen to have the Toll House mini, the Nestle chocolate chips in my pantry, so I'm just going to go ahead and use those. But you can use your dark chocolate if you want to make this completely vegan. But it looks super easy, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. And look how delicious that looks. Let's all hope that it turns out that well.